Right by him, so let's take one.
Dairy Queen, I'm gonna. Hi. Oh, yeah, I had to stop. That was Destiny. I remember her.
That was my neighbor.
That's your neighbor.
She is your neighbor.
Like, fuck
Look, there's a
Destiny.
bunch of people.
Hold on.
Dude, there's too many people. You can't just do it and there's like a million. You're like, I saw him. He was right here.
I like your green shirt. Hey. You're not gonna do it, are you?
I'm just trying to think of something funny as fuck to say, alright?
Jesus, fucker. Fuck! Fuck, we hit a light.
Wait. Oh my god, it's a toddler zombie! Everybody's like, where? He bit my dick.
Damn, dude, looks like it too.
Dude, isn't that the scariest thing ever? I thought about that. That's the video I want to make. Toddler zombies.
Go,
oh my
go,
god,
go.
babies running around everywhere. How's that drink? Does it taste like jizz? I think it does.
Hey, nice dick!
That's why this shit is so hilarious.
Go. Hey, nice ass!
Alright, I'm done.
I'm like such a douchebag.
You know, that's the worst part. It's just like,
Dude,
ow.
here we go down this hill.
Alright, hill it up.
Okay, we're good.
Alright, it's
No,
the best part in the hill.
There's little kids here. There's little kids here.
Wait, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna tell him he's a toddler zombie.
Hey, that kid's a toddler zombie! Right here.
Alright, I gotta get it good this time, man. Yeah, sure. I got a great one for this one. Hey, do you want to see my crane? It's about the size of that one.
There's a baby.
Hey, that baby looks like he's sleeping.
Oh my fucking god.
There's like, duh, that's why he's
I'm
sleeping.
so glad I'm here because otherwise those babies and little kids would be hearing such terrible things.
Really, they
What?
would. You're mean.
Now she here,
Stop,
see.
though.
We're doing drive-out insults here, see. And this is just funny as fuck.
Voice is funny as fuck.
Going.
That way, left.
Why'd you leave town?
No.
You said
Go down that big. Stop it.
What?
Oh, that's a stop sign.
Flipping his.